Hey everyone, it's David. I just wanted to go very quickly with my beautiful hair, to show you how to style with no heat. Today I'll be using Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. Da-na-na. So what we're gonna do is, you can see this hair is flat and just miserable. I look like someone out of some medieval movie. So you shake the can up really, really well. And you don't spray it like hairspray, you actually spray up into the hair. So you separate it, spray it up into the hair, a little bit goes a long way, and I'm scrunching it with my fingers. So what you need to do is this motion. It's almost like you're rolling a little ball of wool. You scrunch the hair, you separate the ends, just like that. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And it really gives it a much better, cooler look. And then that side, look, flatty, unhappy, and this one's full and a lot more fun. So I'll do this side too now to show you. Again, look, wah wah, spraying up into the hair itself. Oh my God, this stuff smells so good. They should make it into a cologne. Look, I get some beautiful little highlights in there too. But you just scrunch it. It actually just squeeze it. All the stuff you don't normally traditionally do with your hair, you do it when you're no heat styling. We want all the volume to be like middle of your face. So just keep breaking it up. Not so sure about those highlights, but hey, it's a wig. But you can see already what a difference that makes from having flatty Marathi hair to big, full hair. And the ends just look so much better. I mean, textured hair is really popular right now, so what better way to do it than in a few minutes with a can of this stuff? It's amazing. Okay, I know I look ridiculous, but I hope you learned something. Okay, bye.